somebody else might go up to Swansea in the 80s, just as they were doing the regions as well. We won. So they came to see us in April to have a look at us in the clubhouse, and they brought it with them. It was all packed up. And when they took one look at us in our clubhouse and said, right, yeah, we're at the top of the list. We've got it. Now the no, it's analogue. The committee.
Yeah, DC.
Sorry, DC, not DCC, yeah.
So I keep looking over there just in case anybody wants to see the diorama.
But we're committing to go to 4 major exhibitions with them.
Yeah.
So
This year, then
this year there's Peterborough in October,
Alexander
Alexander
Palace in
Paris,
February, that's right.
and Doncaster. And then they want to see a bit of progress each time. Now these are all mock-ups of the buildings that are existing. It's all based on loosely on private arms, which is on the in the 80s, the engine shed, all the track had been lifted, and the building was just there, derelict.
Oh. Yeah.
It hadn't been knocked down. The station building was in private hands, so we're going to have it under the control of South Shropshire Tourism. Because the station then is fenced off, and you just walk on, anybody just walks on. And the island platform building has been erased and gone, and there was a bus shelter. Complete bloody bus shelter, that's all.
Horrible.
It was dreadful, dreadful. So, up here we're going to put in the back screen will come down in the centre of each end. And at this end we shall have the corner of the A49 coming across there, and the little lane going over to the granary. Down the back of the granary will be there. And scenery and embankments for the bridges before. That end is going to be a level crossing.